my channel. I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here, so if that's what you're looking for, you have found it and you should subscribe, okay, and hit the bell so you get all of my notifications. So today I'm doing 5 wig myths, okay. This is just part of my wig tips series. So we will get started in 1 second. This beautiful little girl is Renee Paris's Rory. There should be a review up on her. If not, go ahead and put that down below. I do pre-film, so oftentimes most of the things are done and they're just not live on my channel. So I can make it live for you if that's what you want to see. So the first, these are in no particular order, by the way. So the first wig myth that I think we should talk about is that wigs can fall off, or like when you flip your hair, if you move your head, wigs can fall off. I'm saying that's a myth because can that happen? Well, yes, but there's so many different ways of securing your wig. I do have a video, I'll put the video up here, where I talk about how to secure your wig and all different types of wig security. And with the different types, there's ones that are like, I don't want to say permanent, but there's ones that are more long wear options and some that aren't. But there's such a variety of different ways where if you are wearing the wig correctly, you've secured it correctly, it's the right size for your particular head, there's really shouldn't be that much worry that your wig is just going to fall off or fly off. Now, if you're going to be going like on, you know, some kind of amusement park ride,
oh snap,
or swimming or things like that, then that's a different situation. But your regular, just schmegular, going to the store, going to work, doing your thing, that really doesn't need to happen. Wig myth number 2 is that they are hot and itchy. So this can be true.
I'm confused.
Wigs can be very hot, they can be very itchy, but it's a myth that they're all that way. I do have some, I don't know if I put that video up or not, but I do have some summer wig tips, and maybe I'll just make a video on how to not have your wig be hot in general. But part of what contributes to whether it's itchy or hot is the density of the hair. So if you have a really full thick wig, it's going to be warmer than other wigs. Also, the wig cap construction, I do have a video on wig cap construction, but this particular wig cap has what's called wefts, so there's like air space in between, and I think those are less hot than like a full mesh wig. Okay, sometimes the way that the hair is put into the cap, it can stick down into your wig cap, so wearing a proper wig cap, wearing a wig cap in general, will help from that to be, you know, sort of pushing down and itching your scalp. They do have other things, and I am looking to review. They do have sort of these, like, you put them under your wig cap and it's meant to make you cool. I don't know if it works or not. I'm going to test it out, but there are things like that. Longer styles, things that are going to sort of come down around your neck and sort of keep that heat in, because, you know, you lose heat from your head. Just think of it like a hat. If you want to get shorter styles, you want to get airier styles, or you want to, you know, have the hair sort of up off the back of your neck, those are the ways that it can be sort of less warm. Myth number 3 is that wigs will look fake. I have a whole video on where I compare people who are wearing natural bio hair versus wigs. And we, in our minds, think that they look more fake than they actually do, because like we know they're fake, but that doesn't mean that they necessarily are looking to other people. So go ahead and watch that video. But wigs nowadays, affordable and you know, up to name brand wigs, are just changing so much, and there's so much different innovations happening that they definitely are looking more and more natural. Side note, I am speaking, when I'm talking about this, I'm speaking mostly for synthetic wigs. I wear synthetic. I have a few human hair wigs, but I wear and prefer synthetic wigs. I have a video on why that you can go ahead and watch. Myth number 4 is that human hair are better than synthetic. Like I said, I have a whole video on that, but human hair is not necessarily better for a few reasons. One of the reasons why I love synthetic is because they come styled and then they stay styled. Human hair is human hair. You can style it any way you want, which is great, but just like when you wash it, get in the rain, humidity, it's going to react like human hair. So that's something to keep in mind. And as far as quality, I don't know that the quality is necessarily better either. It's just a difference in preference. So it's like, you know, do you want a truck or a car? It doesn't mean that the truck or the car are less quality or have less, you know, specs and, you know, amenities that you would like. It just means that they're serving different purposes. So I think that's definitely a myth. Myth number 5 is that the cost is equal to the quality. I'm going to tell you that is absolutely 100% no. I review wigs that retail for $400 plus, and I review wigs that I have paid less than $12 for, and I'm telling you that the quality isn't necessarily attached to the price. So in general, like if you're gonna purchase a wig, I do definitely think you need to do your due diligence.
Do your diligence.
Stop it. Get some help.
Because, like I said, just because of the cost, it doesn't mean quality either way. There are caveats to buying a wig, and I do have videos on that, but that's definitely a myth. So those are the 5 myths that I'm sharing with you today. If you have myths that you would like to share, let's do a conversation about it down in the comments. Okay, if you like these types of video, go ahead and give this a thumbs up. If you have a suggestion for a wig tips video, now that's different than the Wigs 101. The wig tips are just like, they're quick, they're fun, there's stuff that you want to talk about or maybe want to know about, but they're not necessarily like overly pertinent or required for understanding and learning about wigs.
If that makes sense, I don't even know.
If you have a topic that you would like me to do a wig tips video on, go ahead and put that down below. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. Join the family, become a doll baby, all right? And if you have, you are one of my doll babies. Thank you so much for supporting me. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!